Guys, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction and changes occur in a Chainlink crypto in a previous 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Chainlink crypto in a crypto market. What changes occur in a crypto? Oh my god, oh my god! It's a very bad news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, they are falling down and very badly falls. The changes is negative 0.32% changes occur in a Chainlink crypto in a previous 1 hour. That's the live price prediction you are watching now. The change is very bad for all Chainlink holder. There are negative 0.32% changes in the Chainlink crypto. In the high price of the Chainlink crypto in the previous last 1 hour is $27.1 is the high price of Chainlink crypto. Now the current price of $26.97 is the current price of Chainlink crypto. So it's clear falling down. It's a very bad news. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality of last 1 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What changes occur in the previous 2 hour? Oh my god, oh my god, it's falling down. It's a very bad news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, they are falling down here. After a small jump, they are again falling down. After a small jump, they are again falling down. So it's very bad news for all Chainlink holders. What's going on in the market? As you can see here, the changes is a negative 0.54% occur in the Chainlink crypto in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Chainlink in the previous 2 hour is $27.13 is the high price of Chainlink crypto, as you can see here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for watching this video.